I'm Brian Brown, a founding partner at Brown Barron.
And I'm Leah Barron, the other founding partner at Brown Barron, and we are a law firm that specializes in nursing home abuse and neglect cases, as well as in other medical malpractice and even birth injury cases. And today we're going to talk to you about whether or not cameras are permitted in the rooms of nursing home residents.
And it's a natural question. When a loved one, it comes time for that person to be in a long-term care facility, and you're worried about their care. With today's technology, it's easy to put a webcam in there and see what's going on. But the bottom line is, the short answer is, you can't just do it. 5 or 6 states have passed laws that require nursing homes to allow loved ones to place cameras in nursing homes. But as of now, Maryland is not one of those states. Maryland does have guidelines that are useful with nursing homes and residents and loved ones that account for this, but the bottom line is you must get the nursing home's permission to do it. And if they say no, they say no. That's the bottom line. Because there's lots of things to consider. One is, suppose your loved one has a roommate. They have to give their consent too. Also, even if the nursing home says yes, it's only video that's allowed. Audio is not permitted for other legal reasons that are too complicated to explain in a short video like this. The bottom line is, if you want to place a camera in your loved one's nursing homes, work with the nursing home, ask and get permission, and please, if they deny permission, don't do it, because you yourself could come into legal consequences if you do that. So if you want to see the guidelines that I talked about, go to our website at www.brownbarron.com/cameras, and you'll find all the information you need.
Thank you. And if you have any questions at all or would like more general information, please feel free to call our office or visit our website. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. Thank you for watching this video.